this. It's been a hot summer day, it's the evening, you've had dinner, and you want a treat. You can make this at home, a chocolate Frosty. It is so easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. So we have in our blender 4 cups of vanilla ice cream. And I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk. Now I use whole milk whenever I'm making things, but you can use whatever you like. You can actually make this pretty calorie effective if you need to. 7 tablespoons of chocolate milk powder. They have several brands, just use whichever kind you like, or you can use chocolate protein powder, and then it's really healthy. So there you go. And 3 tablespoons of confectioner's sugar. And then all you do is put it in your blender. Remember, this is going to be a little loud, so forgive me. Let's see if it's blended right here. One more little spin. Okay, and here we go. Just that simple. Can y'all believe it? All you had to do was just do 4 ingredients really in your blender, and then you can make it as thick as you like. Now if you want it thinner than this would you could actually drink this with a straw, or you could eat it with a spoon, which we love Frosties, and so that's what we usually do. But you can add just a 1/4 cup more milk and it'll make it just a little bit thinner, and then you can really drink it like a milkshake. So all you do now, the french fries go with it. Bon appetit, y'all.